Hallo guys, namaste. Parev ndiepi sanbonani. Goeiemorgen. Bonjour. Anyway, we have a Dell machine. They told me that the machine is not turning on. So the owner bought this from the auction. So what they told me was all that the moment when you connect the charger, the charging light goes off. Anyway, let's go ahead, let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect the charger. Make sure your charge is on the 19 volts, of which I believe is on the 19 volts. Let me push it. Okay, this is the 19 volts. Let's connect the charger. Hope you can see. Moment you connect the charger, the charging light goes off. This means there's a short to ground on the 19 volts. Let's go ahead. Okay guys, the 19 volts start from here. So here you will have the 19 volts, and let's check for shorts when it's compared to ground. I'm gonna put one probe to ground, and then you check. No shorts. No shorts. So let's check. This is the first MOSFET. No shorts at all. And this is the second MOSFET. There's a short on the output of the second MOSFET. Here we have a short. So we need to inject the 19 volts to see what exactly is getting hot. Maybe these caps, maybe these two caps here. I'm suspecting these two caps. One of them should be shorted. I don't know why, but today we are just guessing. What about this one here? I won't inject any power. I'm just gonna use my eyes. I'm just gonna use my eyes. Let's come this side. Let's check for shorts. Oh, shorts. Okay, here there is a short. Here we have a short. Let's check this two, guys. They look very dodgy. Okay. Okay, this capacitor here looks broken. I think that's our guy right there. I'm gonna try to remove this. If not, then it's fine. I'm gonna inject the 19 volts, but I think this is the guy. All right, guys. There's a all right, guys. There is a short on the cap. I just checked. I just checked it now. There's a short on the cap. Right. I'll show you just now. On the two caps that I just removed, one of them is fine, no short, but this one, the straight short, is shorted to ground. All right. Anyway, we have to replace. We have to put back the other cap. Sometimes I don't put them back, but today I'm gonna put them just for fun. All right, guys, this is a bent one, the one that is broken. So what we do now, let's check for a short. Check for a short where we were checking for a short here on the output of the second MOSFET where there was a short. The short is gone. 429. There is no short. All right, guys. Now let's check the machine. right, there we go. The machine is turning on. Anyway, this is it. I love you so much, guys. Bye bye, and take care.